Hello friends, I am Rushiraj and today we are going to I am going to discuss about collection framework. What mean by collection framework and where we use collection framework. We know disadvantage or demerit of array, which is array. It is has a limited purpose because of its rules and regulations. Means it has a fixed length. We cannot change its length when we declare the array, as well as there is lot of difficulties while reversing right shift, left shift, etc, etc. For these all problems one solution is introduced by Java. That solution name is collection. In that collection, lot of classes interfaces are included. Collection itself is a interface. In collection there are mainly number of types, but mainly 5 types. In that there are 2 types of list and 3 types of set. What mean by list? List means similar like array, but it has no upper limit. Means you can add n number of data object reference type variables data, means objects number, n number of objects into it up until your memory will get full. And in this list there are 2 types: array list and linked list. Sorry. In that array list and linked list, all the methods for array list and linked list are same, but only one difference is there between that two of them. This difference is storage area of that list. There is one only difference. Remaining all methods, execution, all everything is same. Okay, that's about list. And come to the set. As well as in list, vector is also present. Next come to the sets. In sets there are mainly 3 types of sets. First, hash set, linked hash set, and third is tree set. Now in hash set has its own insertion type. It has own insertion type. Means if you putting number of number 1 2 3 4, it will not save like 1 2 3 4 means ascending order. It has its own method to store the data. That's all about hash set. And in all sets index is not present, so all the index related method we cannot use that into the sets. And in hash set as well as after hash set, tree set. In tree set, the special facility of tree set is it will not take it will save the all data according to the it will sort automatically all data in ascending order. Means and if you use string data, then it will sort like a dictionary. That's a special ability of tree set. And remaining one, linked hash set. In that it will does not allow duplicate elements. It will contain only original unique elements. Okay, next okay, these are the 3 sets. And as well as in collection framework, queue and dequeue is also present. We all know queue means first in first out. And what mean by dequeue? Dequeue is a similar, we can call dequeue stack as well as queue, because dequeue has 2 ends. Means dequeue, we can take output from dequeue from front and back. That's dequeue. That's all about collection framework. Thanks for today. Bye.